First create a file brush.java, extend it with JFrame, create the constructor, call the setBounds method with x 200, y 100, width 700 and height 500, call the setDefaultClose operation method, pass jframe.exitOnClose, call the setVisible method with argument true, write the main method, override the paint method with graphicsObject as a parameter, call the setColor method for the brush, let's set blue color, call the fillOval method with x, y, width and height will be 10, create variables for these x and y. Initially these will be 0 by default. Let's run and check. The oval is at top left, not visible now. Implement the mouse motion listener. Call the add mouse motion listener. Add the unimplemented methods. Remove the content of mouse move method. Assign mouse x to our x variable and mouse y to our y variable. Call the repaint method. Let's check the result. In this way we have implemented the paint mechanism in Java. To learn complete game development from scratch with easy steps, just click on the link in the description.